me 5 years ago. Now I'm a student at Pepperdine University studying red pandas. Join me in a journey to learn more about our red pandas. Did you know red pandas have a super fancy scientific name? It's Ailurus fulgens. They are from the phylum Chordata and family Ailuridae. They live in these 5 countries. There are 2 types of red pandas. One is called the Himalayan red panda, or Ailurus fulgens, and the other is the Chinese red panda, Ailurus fulgens steini. Let's find out where they live. The Himalayan red pandas live up here in the mountains, where it's snowy and cold. Their fundamental niche is around 1,500 meters to 4,000 meters, but it was found that their realized niche is at an even higher elevation of 2,000 meters to 5,000 meters. The Chinese red panda lives in bamboo forests too. Both red pandas are in trouble with decreasing bamboo forests. Let's learn more.
Bamboo is not only the habitat for the red pandas, but also one of their favorite foods. Did you know that around 95% of their diet is bamboo? That's why bamboo forests are so important for their survival. Can you guess what other foods red pandas might eat as primary consumers? That's right, fruits and roots. Now let's take a moment to understand this graph together. Do you see the same trend that I see? That's right. The red panda population has significantly decreased in the last 20 years and is continuing to have a downward trend. Now that we've seen a graph of that, what does this actually look like? Currently, there are less than 10,000 red pandas worldwide, which is about the same as the population of people in Malibu. Oh no! What is he trying to do? Our home is gone! This is sadly just one of the many threats that red pandas have to face. I need your help with learning about the threats red pandas face in a year. Let's click on the different pictures here to learn more. Hunting and illegal trade have become a big threat for the red panda. Red pandas are hunted for their beautiful fur and meat by the locals. It can be difficult for the government to keep track and monitor all of these situations, which doesn't help our little friends out in the forest. Climate change causes the temperatures to increase, which forces them to relocate to a better suited temperature. Bamboos are also sensitive to weather conditions. According to the Red Panda Network, bamboo forests can no longer grow at lower elevations because it is too warm. So now they're growing in high elevations, where there is less land. Pandas are in trouble with less food and homes. Remember how earlier we looked at Nepal? They have a lot of conservation actions in place. However, around 70% of the red panda population still lives in regions that are unprotected by their laws. This means that they are still at a high risk of danger.
People all around the world are working hard to help them. Let's find out how. First, red pandas are legally protected in countries like India, Bhutan, China, Nepal, and Myanmar. That means it's against the law to hurt them or destroy their homes. There's also something called CITES. That's a big fancy rule that stops people from trading red pandas or anything made from them. Can you say CITES? Good job! Nationally, countries are making rules to protect them. For example, Nepal created 8 locations where red pandas can live safely. Red pandas are also on the IUCN Red List. That means scientists are telling everyone, hey, red pandas need our help, or they might disappear forever. IUCN is working to save red panda homes by making their forests healthier and protecting more areas where they can live. They're planting bamboo and stopping illegal hunting. Isn't it amazing? So many people are working to save these little cuties.
Oh man, I really want to help. What can I do? Let's ask the natural science research librarian, Mia McGee, for help with finding research articles. Wow, how easy was that? Do you see what I see? So much information right at our fingertips. Here are some more highlights that I found. Nepal put together a conservation action plan in 2019 to control illegal trading. The Red Panda Network has reported that these efforts are showing promising results, but more work needs to be done. The fight never stops. Now, what can we do to help? One way you can help is by donating to the Red Panda Network, who will use the donations to help plant more bamboo trees and continue working to protect the red pandas. You can also share this video with friends and family so they can learn more about the threats red pandas face.
When making purchases, try to support eco-friendly companies that work hard to avoid harming the environment. The Rainforest Alliance Group will even give their stamp of approval on items that were made in an eco-friendly manner. While these things might seem rather small, if we all take a part in these actions together, we can have a big impact. Thanks for joining me today on our Red Panda adventure, and can't wait to see you next time.